Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file with TurboTax Canada. First, select the TurboTax product that best suits your tax needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, like T4 slips and receipts, to ensure a smooth process. Finally, create a new TurboTax account or log into your existing one to begin your tax journey. Once you're logged in, you'll start by entering your personal details, ensuring everything is accurate. Then, carefully input all your income information from T4 slips, T4as, and any other relevant sources. TurboTax will guide you through claiming eligible deductions and credits, which can significantly reduce the amount of tax you owe or increase your refund. After entering all your data, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire tax return. TurboTax performs a comprehensive check, highlighting any potential errors or missed deductions, helping you optimize your return. Take your time to ensure all the information you've entered precisely matches your official tax documents, like your T4s and other slips. The final step is to file your completed tax return electronically using NetFile, a secure service. Before you hit submit, confirm your final refund amount or the amount you owe. Once filed, remember to save a copy of your return for your records and keep all supporting documents organized for at least 6 years, just in case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.